7, 8.
How many regattas have you done?
I've done 20, must be 28 now.
It was your dad who started this.
My dad did, yeah, my dad, I was here when my dad came. Mick's been here the longest. No, the electrician.
Yeah.
He's been here the longest.
Thought it would be you.
No, Mick was here when I came here.
Yeah.
Well, he's got it done a few years. Right, we needed to.
They longer?
Well, I don't know.
I think they still roughly be about the same age.
Oh, there you are.
Max has put a shield, haven't you, Max? Put any shield over this socket.
Well, what was that?
Just the socket, put the sockets there.
Well, I've got a picture of these, so great. I'll do make exactly the decision. We've got a find a tube on the top there.
We have, yeah.
Anyway.
It's just a reason. Ryan's got a packet.
I don't want a few, mate.
There's some down here, Nick.
I've got some here, mate.
How many regattas have you done?
This will be my 12th, I think. 15, I should imagine, Gordon.
Yeah. When have you got to get this finished by?
We have to finish by when the racing starts. Mick, when do they move in here? It's the week before racing starts, isn't it?
It's the Thursday before the racing starts, before the Wednesday.
Yeah.
Exactly right. Yeah.
That's what I think. I don't
There's
know.
about 350 or more twin sockets that we have to run.
Yeah.
Mains like this, there must be 20, 30 mains like this, I should imagine.
Yeah, they're big ones, aren't they?
Yeah. Yeah. Of course, we have to build the cabins as well once you get the boards up and that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's nearly all equipment that was used last year, isn't it?
It is, yeah. It's everything that was used
Fetch
last
it out
year.
again.
Well, yeah. New cable, because sometimes sockets change and that, so a new cable goes in, but a lot of it stays the same.
Yeah.
The cable.
Yeah.
But we're going to have to replace it sooner or later because now it's all new
Standard.
colours, you see.
Oh,
This
yeah.
is the old stuff, so it's, they're going to have to bite the bullet soon and get some new.
There are 2 transformers on site which feed the main green distribution boxes. There's 11 of those.
And does that take you close to the tents by then?
It does, yes.
notes down there. I put down outside freezer number 2, 3-phase boy lockup, new for 2007.
I'll photograph it when it's all up.
They're right on both of these.
I'll put it on the old computer.
Have
you got room on that? Right, yeah.
Yeah.
Have you got room?
Yeah, we'll make room.
Right. Go down to this.
Sorry.
Lots of room to get off. Yeah, that was done.
Sorry? That's the chill one, yeah, but you might just doing that one. That's quite short, don't have...
Well, we'll go there, see how it goes. What's circuit number 15? Count the sockets again?
Front counter, yeah. There was some written on the ends here that said counters. I had 5 circuits on this back wall. So I've taken 3 of them away and then just 2.
Was that including the washer?
I've still got a 32-amp socket.
The way you're going to do it, we shall have 4 circuits on this back wall. One for the socket next to the fuse board, which we have to change to a 30-amp to...
Well, there's one actually marked up 32 amp, which is probably the washer.
Which is the washer, yeah? You're talking about the fuse, the breaker. Did you say you can have a 40-amp in there? Was that just purely for the wash-ups that you put in down the bottom there?
No, that was for my type C there.
Yeah, we're on it.
Yeah, okay. You had 2 circuits for those counter products of it.
One at the top, one at the bottom.
I think so. I think he went 1 and 2, didn't he? Because he looked under the floor, if you remember.
Yeah, you big hole in there to move it, didn't we?
Yeah, I think he had 4.